Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make a crochet circle. So for that we need a hook and the yarn of any size you want. So if you are making coaster, then you need thicker yarn. If you are making just simple circle or for earrings and so, you need a thinner yarn or thread. So we start with a magic ring and then we make 3 chains. So magic ring, and we are closing it, so that also will count, that chain will also be counted. So 3 chain stitches, and then we make 7 more double crochet into the magic ring. So altogether, including the first 3 chains, we will have 8 double crochet stitches into the magic ring. So just make it a little loose initially, or else it will be difficult. So let's count, and so it's 8 in number. So let's just draw the non-working string to tighten the hole, and bring these stitches closer as much as we can, and then we will join with a slip stitch on the 3rd chain of the beginning 3 chain DC that we made. So this is the 3rd chain, so there we are going to make a slip stitch. Now slip stitch, and even now also you may find it that it's not turning into a circle, but still you just need to adjust and bring the stitches properly arranged, and as we add more and more rounds, the circle will take proper shape. And now that we have closed it with a slip stitch, we will make 3 chain stitches. So every round will start with a 3 chain stitch. 1, 2, 3. So it will be counted as first DC every round. And then in the second, this is second round we are doing. So in the second round we are going to make 2 DC into each stitch. So 2 we have done already for the first one. The second one again we will make 2 DC, third 2 DC. So altogether 8 into 2, we will have 16 double crochet stitches. So it is not a rule, you can make 5, you can start with 5 double crochet and then make it to 10 for the second round. So it is up to us as the pattern desires, or as large as we want the circle to be. So in each stitch across we are going to make 2 double crochet. So let's complete all of the double crochet stitches for the second round. So carefully just need to make 2 double crochet into each stitch. Two double crochet, and the last one. So the last one is about to finish, it's done, and then we will, now that seems to be a stitch but it is not a stitch, so we just need to make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain of the previous round. So just slip stitch, and then again start the next row with 3 chains. Again you need to just bring the stitches in proper arrangement, because the other rounds that you are going to add the stitches on, it completely depends on how these are arranged previously, or else the circle may not look very nice. So there are 3 chain stitches we'll start with. So this is going to be the third round for us, and third round we will have 1 double crochet followed by 2 double crochet into same stitch, 1 double crochet, and then in the next stitch make 2 double crochet. Here we will have 2 alternating with 1 double crochet into the next stitch. So every double crochet will have 1 double crochet on either side. Likewise, every double crochet will have 2 double crochet on either side. So here we have 2 double crochet followed by 1 double crochet. So this is how we complete the round. So what we have done till now is, we started with a magic ring, we made 8 double crochet into the magic ring. Into the second round, when we entered the second round, then we multiplied 8 by 2, that means each double crochet we had made 2 double crochet into each double crochet stitch. So and then third round, 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet alternating with 2 double crochet into the next stitch. So that's how the third round also is going to end. Now here what we have to we will end this with a slip stitch, and here what we have to see is, every round we are starting with 3 chains, so we should be ending it with always a double crochet stitch. If it is ending with a single crochet stitch, then it means that we are doing somewhere wrong, we have done it somewhere wrong. So we need to do it again, because in that case the circle will not take proper shape, because if double crochet are missing somewhere, then it will become a little tight and maybe it will take the shape of a cup. So that's the reason. So we will start the next row, 4th row, with 3 chain stitches. That will be considered the first double crochet. Then into the next stitch we will have 1 double crochet followed by 2 double crochet into the next stitch, 2 double crochet into the next stitch. That means 2 double crochet in a stitch is alternating with 2 single double crochets into the 2 stitches. Now 2 double crochet into different stitches, and then followed by a double crochet into 1 stitch. This is a double crochet. So we are going to continue and end the row. So we are done with the last one, and again bring those stitches properly arranged so that it gives the appearance of a circle, and then keep adding more number of rounds just by increasing 1 DC. That means as we go up, or as we add more and more rounds, we keep adding 1 double crochet extra. So there will be 2 double crochet in 1 stitch, and 1 or 2 or 3 single double crochet into each stitch. So it will keep increasing as we move to the other rounds. So we can just give it an edge with a nice border if we want to keep it as a coaster, or we can also use this similar way, but the thread which is taken for earrings is much thinner when we compare to this. So bye for now.